If I wanted to make $250 a day trading, this is exactly how I would approach it. First, I'd forget gambling. My focus would be risk management, consistency, and protecting my capital. I'd trade only one proven strategy. For example, trend pullbacks with clear entry, stop loss, and target.
I would risk only 1% of my account on each trade. Survival comes before profits.
I'd wait patiently for high-quality setups and avoid emotional trades after wins or losses. Every trade would go into a journal. Tracking mistakes is how traders improve over time.
My goal wouldn't be daily profits. I'd focus on following my system and letting results compound.
That's how I would aim for $250 a day. Not by chasing money, but by mastering discipline.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.